With every project, there's a story waiting to be told, a hidden gem waiting to be rediscovered. A neighborhood where a piece of automotive history has been left to the mercy of time. Grey blanket of dust. Its once proud form is now a silhouette of neglect, with headlights shattered like vacant eyes and tires flattened against the cold concrete floor. As we move closer, the full extent of its decline becomes heartbreakingly clear, a testament to years of abandonment. This isn't just a car, it's a time capsule of forgotten luxury. A gloved hand sweeps across the hood, revealing a ghost of the gleaming black paint beneath the grime. Our inspection begins, and each detail tells a part of this sad story. We zoom in on the creeping tendrils of rust eating away at the wheel arches and the delicate chrome trim. Inside, the story is no different. The once supple leather of the seats is now deeply cracked and brittle, a roadmap of sun damage and neglect. The dashboard, a former hub of cutting-edge technology, is broken and faded, its screens dark and lifeless. Peering into the cabin feels like stepping into a forgotten tomb. The interior is a landscape of decay, with torn upholstery revealing the foam beneath and intricate spiderwebs spun between the steering wheel and the gearshift. A faint, musty odor hangs in the air, the scent of stagnant time. A voice can't help but reflect on the tragic irony of it all. This machine was once a symbol of status, a luxury beast that commanded the road with its presence. Now it's just a forgotten relic, a silent monument to what it once was. But where some see decay, we see potential. The restoration starts with a baptism of high-pressure water, a powerful act of cleansing. In immensely satisfying slow motion, years of accumulated mud, stubborn dirt, and greasy oil are blasted away. The water cascades down its sides, washing away the past and slowly revealing the car's true lines. With every pass of the spray, the car begins to breathe again, shedding its dusty skin to reveal the foundation of the masterpiece we know is still there. With the exterior prepped, it's time to address the heart of the machine. The hood lifts with a protesting creak, unveiling an engine bay caked in a decade's worth of dust and corrosion. It's a daunting sight, but the real work is about to begin. A dynamic montage captures the flurry of activity. Greasy parts are meticulously removed and cleaned until they shine. Fresh, golden oil is poured into the engine's core, and damaged wiring is patiently reconnected, punctuated by the occasional spark of life. This is more than just a repair, it's an automotive resurrection. Attention now turns to the body, the canvas for this transformation. The team gets to work on the painstaking process of erasing the scars of time. Dents are carefully pulled out, patches of rust are ground down to bare, clean metal, and the entire surface is sanded smooth, preparing it for a new identity. Split-screen shots offer a dramatic contrast, showing the ravaged, rusted panels on one side and the perfectly smooth, restored bodywork on the other. It's a visual journey from ruin to readiness. The moment of rebirth arrives in the spray booth. The car, now a blank slate, is ready for its new coat. A fine mist of glossy luxury black paint envelops the chassis. Slow-motion shots capture the hypnotic dance of the atomized paint as it settles onto the surface, creating a mirror-like finish. As the layers build, a deep, liquid-like shine emerges, reflecting the lights of the workshop. The Mercedes is no longer just a car. It's a piece of rolling art, reborn in shadow and light. The exterior's stunning transformation is matched by an equally luxurious revival inside. The tattered, broken remnants of the old interior are completely stripped away. In their place, brand new, supple leather seats are installed, their rich scent filling the cabin. Modern ambient lighting is subtly integrated, casting a sophisticated glow across the polished dashboard and gleaming trim. The interior is no longer a space of decay, but a modern sanctuary of comfort and style, blending classic design with contemporary elegance. The same garage door that once opened to reveal a forgotten wreck now slides up to showcase a breathtaking masterpiece. The fully restored 2004 Mercedes-Benz gleams under the bright lights, its flawless black paint reflecting every detail with perfect clarity. Cinematic 360-degree shots pan around the car, highlighting its aggressive stance, polished chrome, and immaculate interior. The beast has not only been awakened, it has been completely reborn, better and more beautiful than ever. Our story and the car's new chapter concludes on the open road. Against the fiery backdrop of a setting sun, the restored Mercedes glides effortlessly, its engine purring with a deep, satisfying tone. Slow-motion shots capture the light glinting off its perfect body as it carves through the winding roads. This is the ultimate reward. The sound of a perfectly tuned engine, the feeling of a machine returned to its former glory, and the sight of a forgotten dream, now a stunning reality driving off into the horizon.